right, so here we are at lesson 5, chapter 7. We're going to regroup hundreds, and I have a couple videos here that I want to show you.
Explore regroup hundreds. We are going to find 332 minus 150. First, let's look at the numbers in the ones column. How many ones are there in 332? 2. How many ones are we going to take away when we subtract 150? That's right, 0. Tell me what 2 minus 0 equals. If you said 2, you're correct. Next, let's look at the tens column. Can we subtract 5 tens from 3 tens? No, we can't. We need to regroup 100 as 10 tens. Now we have 13 tens and 2 hundreds. We can subtract 5 tens from 13 tens. What is 13 tens minus 5 tens? 8 tens. Write an 8 in the tens column. Finally, let's look at the hundreds column. Can we subtract 100 from 200? We sure can. 200 minus 100 equals 100. So 332 minus 150 equals 182.
All right, and then the next video I want to show you is another way to regroup.
Regroup hundreds. Let's use models to find 539 minus 285. First, we subtract the ones. There are 9 ones in 539. We need to subtract 5 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That leaves 4 ones. Write 4 in the ones column on the place value chart. Now we subtract the tens. We have 3 tens and we need to subtract 8 tens. 1, 2, 3. There aren't enough tens to subtract 8 tens. Since we cannot subtract 8 tens from 3 tens, we need to regroup. We can regroup 100 as 10 tens. We regrouped 100 as 10 tens. We now have 4 hundreds. Now how many tens do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. We can subtract 8 tens from 13 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That leaves 5 tens. Write 5 in the tens column on the place value chart. Now we subtract the hundreds. When we subtract 2 hundreds from our 4 hundreds, we are left with 2 hundreds. Write 2 in the hundreds column. So 539 minus 285 equals 254.
All right, so hopefully you found that helpful. When we are regrouping again, you have to show your work. So you need to cross out the numbers and rewrite them above where you need to. That's very, very important so you don't get confused.